Hey everybody, it's Tim again. As promised, we have the first video today in my anti-MLM rant. I spoke about this in previous videos. Remember, this is not a review because I'm not going to give it that kind of time. This is basically just a here's the name, I've tried it, don't fall for it kind of thing. So the first one for today is Empower Life. If you look here on the left, this is what I call the column of empty promises. Empower Life is kind of advertised as like a resources membership kind of deal. Don't be fooled. This is an MLM. Like through and through, Empower Life is an MLM. First of all, like all of these things that you see, the artificial intelligence, crypto strategies, digital marketing, all this crap, the eShop, travel portal, obviously you have to be paid up as a member before you can even access any of those things. Like if you click on travel portal, say, we apologize, basically you haven't given us money, so we're not going to let you look at this, and we're going to hide the fact that it's not going to help you even after you pay, because this is all garbage. You could literally go to like Expedia and get way better deals. The only reason why these are in here is because companies pay Empower Life to put this in here. That's all it is. It makes them money, and that's why it's here. So don't be fooled. Second of all, you're not really going to make any money. Even if you can get this account balance and crap to go up, what you don't realize is that basically, you've paid, basically for every $50 that you pay directly to them, you might make $10. And of course you do that like every other MLM by recruiting a bunch of other people that will then go into Empower Life and continue to make these people money and make your life a living hell. Now, there are certain like elements that are dead giveaways. For like, basically dead giveaways that you're dealing with an MLM. And Empower Life, if you scroll down to the bottom, has basically put them in a row. Ironically, they have them in steps. Well, this tells you right here. They want you to add yourself to their Facebook page or their Telegram and all that. This is so they can keep marketing to you. And that when inevitably the site gets shut down for being an MLM, then they can actually contact you about their next scam and get you involved in this. That way you can keep giving them money. Inviting scripts, that's because it's an MLM and they want you to use their way of recruiting people and, having them join with you in this scam. Tools and downloads, which is literally just the crap you use to recruit, like all the banners and that kind of junk. Weekly Zoom calls, also known as team meetings. This is where they tell you all the dirty and disgusting ways that you're going to actually rope people in for this MLM. And then, of course, the compensation plan, which is intentionally complicated so that you don't realize you're losing money every month instead of making money. But, of course, in the meantime, you are making them tons of money, which is how an MLM works. People that own it and run it make all the money, and everybody else does all the work and loses friends and all that kind of jazz. So anyway, this one's Empower Life. I promised that these were going to be real quick and simple to the point, so we're going to go ahead and end this one. But yeah, if you see Empower Life, leave it alone. It's an MLM, it's a scam, and this is the first of many. Like I said, these are going to take over the channel for a little bit. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, do that. Hit the bell, like, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.